Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to unlock your iCloud locked iPhone or iPad without Apple ID or passcode. The first thing I want you to do is come here to Apple's I Forgot page and reset your Apple ID password, okay? So you come here, just enter your email that is attached to it. So I'll go ahead and plug it in right here. So let's say, for example, John Smith, let's say 123 at gmail.com. Then you type these characters right here. So it's 5TPDS, and then you click on continue. So you reset your password first. So at least if you have that, your Apple ID and password, you can choose how to unlock your account. You can get an email where you answer security questions. Just proceed with this. And then you get an unlock email that is sent. Okay. So we're unlocking that with our email address, right? So that is one way to do it. So hope that you found this helpful. If you do, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.